Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Fetch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fetch application and you will now be taken into the home page where you will be able to use your Google or Facebook account and also your phone number in order to sign up or log in. Just choose whichever option you wish to use, and if you prefer to use your phone number, you can just type in your phone number within the given box and click on the continue button. After you continue forward, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. After entering this code, you can proceed forward and you will be able to set up your profile and start using the Fetch application right away. If you choose Google or Facebook account, you will simply be asked to log into your Google or Facebook, and once you log into either one of these, you can just allow access to your account and you will be signed up using these account right away. And now you will be able to use the Fetch Rewards platform with your newly signed up account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Fetch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.